In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Taobao 1688 to English 2025, step by step. If you shop or source products on 1688, you know the interface is primarily in Chinese, which can make browsing and checkout a bit confusing. The good news is there's a built-in language option in the app. I'll walk you through where it lives, what it changes, and what to expect after you switch. Start by opening the 1688 app on your phone. From the home screen, head to your account area. Look for the Profile tab, often shown as a person icon at the bottom of the screen. In Chinese, it's labeled Wo Di A, which literally means my. Tap that to open your profile. Inside your profile, you'll find a gear-shaped icon for settings. It's labeled Shiji in Chinese. Go ahead and tap Settings to open the full menu. This is where all your app preferences and account options live. Now scroll through the list and look for the language controls. The item you want is called Language or Multilingual, and in Chinese it's written as Duo Yuyan. It may be grouped with General App Preferences, so take a moment to scan carefully. When you find it, tap to open the language page. On the language screen, select English if it's available. Some users will see English right away. Others might see a short list of supported languages. Tap English to apply the change. The app may prompt you to confirm or briefly refresh while it updates the interface. That's normal. After it switches, you'll notice that core navigation, things like menus, buttons, and some system messages, appears in English. This makes getting around much easier. However, it's important to set expectations. Most product listings, store names, promotions, and seller-provided content will still appear in Chinese. That's because those sections come directly from merchants and aren't automatically translated by the app. You may also see some mixed language screens where parts are English and parts remain Chinese. If you don't see an English option on your device, it likely means the feature isn't available for your region or app version yet. Availability can change over time, so checking back after future updates can help. Also, the labels I mentioned, Wode for profile, Shiji for settings, and Duo Yuyan for language, are useful visual cues if your app is still fully in Chinese while you're navigating to the right place. That's it. Open 1688, go to Profile, enter Settings, find the Language section, and choose English. With those changes applied, you'll have a smoother experience moving through the app, even though some merchant content